In this video, I'll show you how to check the earnings you've made by promoting Filmora through your affiliate links and how to withdraw your commissions. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. We'll begin by logging in to an Impact account. Now, I'll just click on sign in. Depending on your security settings, you may need to enter an authorization code. So copy the authorization code and just put it in here and then click on verify. By default, you'll come to the home page, and from here you can see the today's earnings, total pending, and a balance. As you can see, I've set an auto withdrawal when the balance gets to 9,200 shillings. So it could be any day of the month when that balance is actually reached, depending on how the brands pay. Now, you can check your reports. If I click on reports, you can see the overview. And from here, you'll be able to see what affiliate programs are you making you money and how much, and the breakdown of the different payouts. And you can see performance by day, performance by referring domain. So you can see the different options right here, including the referring domain, and you can scroll down to see everything that is referring all this. Scroll down and you can see how much, or the clicks, the actions, the sale amount, and how much you've made for that particular month. You can also click, let's assume the Wondershare software has made me this. Just click on it and you can see it's an online sale, it's pending. That is more or less the payment, because obviously it takes some time to lock, but that's for the reports. You can track your analytics, your clicks, and see how your sales look like and where they happen, and so on and so forth. Next up, you may need to check balances. If you have an amount of money, you can click on this drop down to the right and click on balance. From here, you'll be able to see how much money is like the balance, and if you've been paid, how much money was paid, how much money was deducted, and so on and so forth. So I get paid via bank account transfer, and as you've seen from the home page, I've set an auto withdrawal when my amount gets to about 9,200 shillings. So if you add this plus this, it comes about to 10,000 and something. So when we got to that particular threshold, there was an auto payment that was made, and you can see the processing fee that is deducted. If you've not set up your bank account, and I mentioned this is in how to earn money from the Filmora Creator Monetization program, you can click on bank account settings. And when I click on bank account settings, it's going to take me to the payout page, and more or less where you can add your bank account details or even PayPal details. Depending on where you are around the world, PayPal may be available to you. Now, you can see it's electronic funds transfer, location is in Kenya, FX wire processing fee, it's 1,086 shillings, the beneficiary account name, and then you can scroll down, the bank account number, the BIC or SWIFT code. You can also clear the payment method. You can set auto pay me when the balance reaches a particular threshold, and for this one, I've set the threshold for 9,200 shillings, but there are a couple of pre-made thresholds here that are available for us to work with. And then you can also set for pay me on a fixed day of the month. Fixed day is not recommended if you work with more than one advertiser. If an advertiser funds their account late, you will need to wait another month to withdraw the funds. Balance must be at least 1,800 shillings to withdraw. Now, click on save, but there's something I'd like you to take a note of, is that payments will be paused for 48 hours as a safety measure when you update your bank account information. An internal review of these updates may extend this particular period. So, in addition to this, you can also follow the webpage guide. It has screenshots to learn how to check and withdraw your earnings. The link is available in the description below. It's that easy. Now you know how to track and withdraw your earnings from promoting Filmora. So what are you waiting for? Start promoting and start earning today. And that's it for this video series. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.